Stop using AI to just help you write better emails. I'm going to blow your mind and show you exactly how I use Claude CoWork in order to help me work just like 20,000 times more efficient. So you can see this is a website that I'm working on, and I have a problem. So these as featured in logos here, the spacing just isn't right. So you can see that like some of the logos are closer together than others. And what I want is I just want these logos to be spaced out appropriately and all be roughly the same size, so that way it looks aesthetically pleasing. So here's what I do. I log into the actual page in here. This is where I'm working on it. And I'm going to open up Claude Chrome extension. And this is where I can execute Claude CoWorking. So then I say, I'm going to use my voice dictation because that's what I do best. I'm working on this web page, and the as featured in logo section on the front end shows the logos to be all different types of spacing between them, period. Please adjust this section so that way all of the logos are spaced appropriately and look aesthetically pleasing. And that's all that I do. I prompt Claude, and then I let it make a plan for me. So what it's going to do now is formulate a plan. I'm going to approve the plan, and then it's going to go ahead and start working on it. So it says this, and I'm going to approve it. And literally, it's going to start editing my web page. You can see it's going here. I'm going to be hands off, hands up, so I can show you that it's actually going in. It just opened a new tab right now. I don't know if you can see this, but it's looking on the front end to see, okay, what does the spacing actually look like? Takes a screenshot, does it, and I'm just going to literally let Claude cook, and I'm going to go do something else. And then that way, this will be done by the time I get back. And the reality in not just marketing, but business nowadays is like if you are not using AI and specifically like Claude CoWork, Claude Code in order to help you work more efficiently, like what I'm showing you here, then you will be falling behind. And it's not a matter of like doing things perfectly, but it's a matter of like trying to get use of these tools, because these tools are the dumbest that they will ever be right now. So even if Claude can't do this task perfectly, I'm sure it can get it into a lot better place. But I've already done very similar tasks like this with Claude CoWork before and the Chrome extension. And so this is a way that, I know it's going to be able to crush this task for me. You can also not use the Claude Chrome extension and instead use Claude CoWork on your desktop app. It'll do the same thing. It'll open up Chrome. It'll open up some new tabs. I really love how Claude CoWork actually it has tab groups that are like highlighted so you know which tabs it's working in. And it allows you to then go to other tabs. Like I literally go into my other screen and I am doing other work at the same time that Claude CoWork is doing this for me. So now while I let Claude do its thing and complete this task for me, I'm going to be working on my other screen. And if you want to see how I take AI and use it, not just in marketing, but to make your entire business operate more efficiently, you can use the link down below this video to join the Auto Growth Academy, where I share my marketing strategies and how I'm using AI to really just supercharge everything. It has step-by-step courses and it has weekly coaching calls with myself. So that way, whenever you're stuck, you can hop on a call with me and get answers to all your questions. All right, and I just got back from a walk, so time to check in and see what we got built by using Claude. So let's open in a new incognito window. Okay, so like this logo section here looks great. Like I'm really like what they did with it. Everything is spaced out. It definitely looks a lot more visually appealing. So this is what the power you have with Claude CoWork and with using the Claude extension. And this is how I believe, if you want to be on the cutting edge of AI, you need to be testing it and pushing it to its limits in your everyday work and asking yourself, how can I work with AI to be more efficient? So subscribe to me on YouTube if you want more videos like this, and let me know in the comments if you liked it and what your favorite AI tool is right now. and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.